Birdies have walked over. There's Zeldy, Kennelly, and Bonito. Kennelly walked all the way over from the bird room to pick out a little little trio. Zeldy's hungry. Kennelly's in the way. You gotta wait. You gotta wait the pigging out. Bonito, what you up to? How long you guys gonna stay here until you get scared? Zeldy, what you doing? Go run away. Go run away. Bonito's joining. Bonito, you're hungry too. You gonna bug Kennelly beans? Can you get your head in there? Can you put your beak in there? Uh-oh. Kennelly, he wants in. He wants to eat. Bonito. Okay, Kennelly, step down. You gonna even eat? Yes, Zeldy. Go get your Wawa. Now Kennelly wants in. Bop. You got the polite bop. Yeah, Zeldy, by my foot. Oh, you got bopped. It's the battle of the trough. Mm-hmm. You guys are piggies. Go get a drink. You gonna bop him back? Nope. He politely stands down. I believe that's brother and sister. Kennelly and Bonito. 12 years old. Got them together. His babies. Kennelly can fetch. She can shake it. Kennelly, shake it, baby. Kennelly, shake it, baby. Kennelly, do a trick. Shake it! Kennelly! Nope, now it's Zelda's turn. Birdie up the foot. Birdie up the foot. Here it comes. Come on, Beans. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Hi, Kennelly. Up, up, up. Get a little higher up. Kennelly, shake it. Kennelly, shake it, baby. Good job, and a waggy waggy to top it. Yeah, that's a good girl. You get the scritchies. No. No scritchies. Bonito, what you doing? What you doing? The birdies have invaded. They have invaded. Uh-oh, it's flying up. Zeldy, what are you going to do? Where's all your buddies? Where's your buddies? Oh, it's bye-bye. That leaves Kennelly Beans. Kennelly Beans, hi. Oh, he gets the scritchies. Kennelly. Okay, Kennelly, I don't have any seed to give you right now, but what if I said, Kennelly, shake it, baby? Shake it! Shake it, baby! Kennelly, shake it! You don't want to shake it! Hey. Oh, that's it. She's on my shoulder. Bye-bye.